Okay, we've learned about network diagrams and developing a project plan, and we've been using activity on node. I just wanted to very quickly talk activity on arrow in case some of you see that out in the industry you're in. It's not my favorite, but I want to show you the difference and where they're at. So now the activity is on the arrow, what it means, activity on arrow. So here's a node, and I install software and I get to the next event. So the circles are our event numbers, and we're installing, instead of the activity being in the box, it's now on the arrow. So let's look at this. I might have a sequence here, two activities here. Here I have 3 activities feeding here and another activity, and so forth. Similar ideas, but let's look at how it looks. So let's say I'm doing an AON, activity on network. I buy a computer. I can also start writing a program though, maybe in parallel. Okay. Now I get the computer, I can install the program on the computer. I'm also paid for the computer over here, and I'm getting to an end. How would I draw that on activity on arrow? I buy the computer, I write the computer program, okay? I pay for the computer here and I install the computer here. Now we're coming up with these arrows that aren't really activities, but I have to use them for linking the two things here. So I've got these arrows without activities on them that are coming into here. So, I mean, it's very similar. This looks better to me and easier for me because I can link the boxes and see how they're linked. This is just a different way of doing it. Like I say, most people are using this now, and this is what project you saw comes out with. But some people are comfortable with this and putting this out. This just generally can result in these extra arrows you have to put in that are linking the different tasks. So either way, but for this class we're using the AON, but if you could see this out there in industry.